In this video, I'll show you how to use your wallet as a stand for your phone. If you're watching a YouTube video on your phone, you can use your wallet as a stand. You can watch YouTube videos by placing the phone on the wallet like that. So it has a bit of an angle. I'll show you from the side like this. So it's not flat on the desk, but also it doesn't need to be all the way up. But if you want it higher, you can really just put it like that. The closer you put the wallet to the phone, the higher the phone will be. So you can watch videos on it. You can go to the home page of a channel and you can watch any video you might like from here. For example, let's play this one. Nothing special about it. One old card you can use expired or you don't use anymore. Like this, you can watch any videos you might like. You could even read something if you want to read a book like this or anything like this. And this is how you can keep it. Even if you don't watch any video, but you just want to see the phone, the screen like this easier instead of being flat. When it's flat on the table, it's harder to see. Like this, it's a bit better. Also, when you keep it like that, the cameras don't touch the desk when you keep it like this. So it's also a little bit better for the camera. So it's not touching anything. Less chances to scratch the camera. Thanks for watching. This is the trick I wanted to share. Put the phone on the wallet. Use the wallet as a phone stand.